If you want to check your graphics card because you want to know the model, how much RAM it has, the driver version it's running. Or maybe you want to know if you have an Nvidia, AMD or Intel graphics card. Then follow these easy steps to learn how to do it. This tutorial applies to Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open your Start menu. Type dxdiag. Click on dxdiag. Press Yes. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Open the Display tab. In Name you'll find your graphics card model. In Display Memory you'll find how much RAM your graphics card has. In here you'll find your driver version. Press Exit to close the window. Now your problem should be fixed.